Making a vision board may be a useful exercise for identifying objectives and even your preferences. When used as a compass, a vision board may help us make decisions and take actions that are consistent with our genuine goals. We can better comprehend what's important to us and what we want out of life by carefully choosing and organizing words, symbols, and even images that symbolize our goals. This episode will explain vision boards and show you how to make one that represents your own goals. We'll also go over inspiration and ideas for vision boards that will pique your imagination and stimulate your creative side. A vision board is an assortment of pictures that symbolize a person's objectives, hopes, and even desires. It acts as a source of inspiration and motivation, as well as a visual reminder of what your goals are. Often composed of collages, vision boards might have images, quotes, magazine clippings, or other visuals that support your aspirations. They are also known as action boards, for mood boards at times. They are quite specialized and frequently center around a certain idea or even a subject. You may create one focused on your goals for the upcoming year. A vision board can assist you in maintaining focus on your objectives. You could be more inspired to take the necessary actions to realize your vision if you put your goals into a visual depiction. Perspective Plans, with new videos and podcasts weekly. Join our Patreon at patreon.com/perspectiveplans for exclusive videos and more. Visit perspectiveplans.com for all of your planner and stationery needs. Only at Perspective Plans, helping you plan for what's to come. Hello, I'm Christina B. Rising, and welcome to the Perspective Plan Show, where I help you boost your productivity and stay organized so that you can easily handle whatever life throws at you. I upload new videos and podcasts every single week, so be sure to subscribe so you won't miss anything. Shop for workbooks, printables, and stickers at perspectiveplans.com. And last but not least, this episode would not be possible without the support of our Perspective Plans patrons and channel members. Thank you. Now let's get into this episode. Tip 1. Decide on your goals. Think on your objectives, hopes, and desires for a while. Think about several aspects of your life, including your work, relationships, health, personal development, and even interest. Using your vision board, make clear the goals and manifestations you have in mind. Tip 2. Assemble your supplies. Get the supplies you need, depending on whether you're making a digital or even a physical vision board. You might need a poster board, scissors, tape, or even glue, magazines, markers, and any other creative items you choose to utilize in order to create a real board. Determine the digital tools or software like Canva that you plan to utilize for your digital vision board, and I'll have my digital vision board template down below. Tip 3. Look for motivation. Seek for inspiration from sources that complement your objectives. Examine publications such as books, periodicals, blogs, websites, and even social media that are relevant to your actual interests. Gather pictures, sayings, and even phrases that speak to you and make you feel the way you do about the things you want to achieve. Tip 4. Establish a theme. For your vision board, think about selecting a theme or even a main point of emphasis. It might be as general as my dream life, or it could be more focused like travel adventures or even your career success. You can keep the board coherent and clear by sticking to a theme. Tip 5. Set up and create. Start by placing the phrases, symbols, and even images of your choice on a digital canvas or even an actual board. Try with various arrangement and positioning till you come up with an eye-catching and even motivational composition. It may be arranged any way you see fit, whether it be by your objectives, themes, or even something else entirely. Tip 6. Incorporate individual touches. Add drawings, handwritten affirmations, pictures of yourself, or anything that makes your vision board special to you. Bring your own vitality and imagination to life. Tip 7. Your vision board on display. Choose a visible location for your vision board so that you can view it often. It can even be used as a digital wallpaper for your computer or phone, or you could place it on the wall in your office. Make sure it's where you can readily access and think about it. Tip 8. Write in your journal about your vision board. When combined, journaling and vision boards can become powerful partners since they support one another's reflective and even manifesting processes. Spend some time journaling about your vision board every day or even every week. Keep a notebook to help you remember your goals and the reasons behind them. Tip 9. Act every day and every week. Keep in mind that a vision board is a tool to help you achieve your objectives, but using it will need work on your side. Every day and every week, put your goals into practice, create plans of action, and make progress toward them. Throughout the process, your vision board may act as a source of inspiration and even guidance. Tip 10. Examine and refresh. Review your vision board from time to time to evaluate your progress. Recognize your successes and make any necessary revisions if you need to. Update your vision board when your objectives change to make sure it stays in line with your present desires. Create a budget that works for you and track your debt, monthly bills, savings, expenses, cash envelopes, sinking funds, savings challenges, and more. This budget planner is perfect to take control of your finances, even if you are a beginner and just started your financial journey. Featuring 200 plus planner pages with and without sidebars, over 1,500 planner stickers in 14 unique colors, and 50 plus quote layering stickers that allow you to customize the background to match your planner style. All this and more can be found in the Budget Planner Bundle, available in 2 amazing color options at PerspectivePlans.com. Paperback edition, now available at Amazon. Helping you plan for what's to come. Tip 11, monitor your development. One of the journaling aims is to record your advancement with respect to your vision board. Make a note of your accomplishments, the steps you've made, and any adjustments or revisions you've gone through. Consider the changes in your perspective and way of thinking. No matter how tiny, acknowledge and appreciate your victories. Examine your thankfulness. As part of your journaling routine, include thankfulness journaling. Write a list of your blessings, mentioning any advancements or even successes in relation to your objectives on your vision board. Give thanks for the resources and opportunities that are coming your way. In your writing, place special emphasis on manifestation and an abundant attitude. Tip 13, go further into your objectives and dreams. Keeping a journal may be. Tip 13, go further into your objectives and dreams. Keeping a journal may be a very useful tool for achieving your objectives. You can track your progress, acquire understanding of your reasons, and maintain accountability by keeping a daily journal of your thoughts and feelings, and even your accomplishments. Jot down the precise actions you may do to further your objectives. Examine possible obstacles and come up with fixes. Jot down any ideas or revelations that occur to you while the process is underway. Tip 14, imagine and verify. Incorporate affirmation and even visualization practices while journaling. Shut off your diary and take a few minutes to see yourself leading the way you've always wanted to, as pictured on your vision board. During your writing practice, use affirmations or positive sentences that are relevant to your objectives and repeat them to yourself. If you have tried bullet journaling, time blocking, or just plain old to-do lists but haven't found the right solution to manage your time, then it's time to try out the Hourly Planner Bundle. This is the ultimate planner with everything you need to manage your schedule and get things done today. Featuring 300 plus planner pages with and without sidebars, 100 plus event and holiday labels, and over 2,000 plus planner stickers in 14 unique colors. All this and more can be found in our Hourly Planner Bundle, available in 2 amazing color options at PerspectivePlans.com. Paperback edition, now available at Amazon. Helping you plan for what's to come. Tip 15, examine and consider. Take some time to work with your vision board first. Examine the pictures, phrases, and symbols, and give them time to arouse feelings and ideas inside of you. After that, take out your notebook and jot down your thoughts on your vision board. Explain the particular objectives, aspirations, or wishes shown, and consider the reasons of your importance. Examine any feelings, worries, or even self-limiting ideas that surface. Review your notebook entries on a regular basis to search for trends, revelations, and places where you might need to modify your strategy. Think about the ways that writing and creating the vision board have improved your behavior, outlook, and even general well-being. Share this awesome episode with someone you know who needs it to help them plan for what's to come. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I hate for you to miss the next episode. Now let's get into our recap. So let's do a quick recap just in case you missed a tip on creating your best vision board. Tip 1, decide on your goals. Tip 2, assemble your supplies. Tip 3, look for motivation. Tip 4, establish a theme. Tip 5, set up and create. Tip 6, incorporate individual touches. Tip 7, put your vision board on display. Tip 8, write in your journal about your vision board. Tip 9, act every day and every week. Tip 10, examine and refresh. Tip 11, monitor your development. Tip 12, examine your thankfulness. Tip 13, go further into your objectives and even your dreams. Tip 14, examine and verify. Tip 15, examine and consider. The key to productivity is to rotate your avoidance technique, Shannon Wheeler. You can choose the images, graphics, text, photographs, and other components that are in line with the goals and aspirations by keeping these items in mind. It's critical to keep in mind that your vision board is just that, a picture of a yet unrealized future. You have to dedicate yourself to taking the necessary actions and putting in the necessary work to realize that desire. Consider these boards as action boards that outline your goals and your strategy for accomplishing them, rather than just visions. This will help you make better use of them. I just want to take a moment to thank our patrons and channel members. This episode would not be possible without your support. Thank you. And if you would like to support the show, visit patreon.com/perspectiveplans today. Thank you so much for stopping by and pressing play. I truly appreciate it. Let me know down below in the comments or your podcast review what tip you'll be using. Keep planning for what's to come, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.